From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
A very good Monday afternoon to you, Penn State. I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate here with your Campus Weather Service forecast. Happy April. Let's take a look at conditions around State College right now. Our 4Cam showing us different views around campus, and notice the common theme, lots of blue sky and just a few clouds, although it is a little bit chilly. Temperatures checking in right around 0 here on campus, and notice the dew point, -11. It is a fairly dry day outside, and it's also a little bit windy. Northwest winds at 17 kilometers an hour, making it feel like -5 as you step out the door this afternoon. Our weather headlines over the next couple of days is going to be a chilly start to the week in advance of some precipitation that's going to be heading our way in the latter half of the week, but not before not until then. After then, I should say, we have a weekend warm-up, and it's going to be a very pleasant weekend. I'll show you all those details in just a moment. Temperatures around the rest of the region right now, 0 here in State College, 3 degrees each in Williamsport, Selinsgrove, and Harrisburg. Johnstown, Altoona, Clearfield, and Du Bois all still hanging out below 0, though that is going to change as we head through the rest of the day. Temperatures around the rest of the state right now, Bradford, they're still holding on to -4 right now, -1 in Erie and in Franklin. Our radar and satellite loop showing not much to talk about right now, just a few isolated flurries that came into some of those northwestern communities. Some of those didn't reach the ground, and the ones that the radar seems to be detecting right now, these are probably not reaching the ground, so they're of no impact to us as we head out into the rest of the day. And speaking of, much of the northeast U.S. is under the dome of high pressure that's controlling our weather, keeping us fairly cloud-free on this Monday afternoon. That's all going to change, though, as we expect the first system, a coastal low-pressure system, to slide up the eastern seaboard around Tuesday night into Wednesday. That could bring some light rain into southeastern corners of Pennsylvania. Philly and Harrisburg may see a little bit of rain out of this. Eventually, that low is going to slide off to the north and east in advance of a clear day on Wednesday, and then more clouds start to build in on Thursday. The first band of rain may come in out of the south and west into central Pennsylvania right around 3:30 on Thursday, before that rain starts to become more widespread and maybe even a little bit heavier as we head into the day, into the morning hours, I should say, on Friday. This computer model keeps the rain in the area until around 5:30, but there is some disagreement on that. There is a decent chance that the rain is going to be moving out of the area earlier in the day on Friday, so Friday afternoon may actually be dry, which is going to be nice if you're heading out of town this weekend. Eventually, all that rain is going to slide off to the north and east, leaving us a calm Saturday and a calm Sunday as well, with more sun than this computer model indicates. Now, in terms of the rainfall, fairly insignificant rainfall accumulations from this first coastal low. Notice Philadelphia, the jackpot winners here, only around 2 millimeters of rain. But then as that next system starts to come into the area, Pittsburgh's going to pick up right around 1 centimeter of rain, Johnstown right around 9 millimeters, and we can expect to get right around 3 millimeters here in State College from that first band. Then as those rain showers become more widespread, only rainfall amounts right around 6.5, maybe 7 millimeters. It's not going to be that significant. And then temperatures over the next day or so, temperatures falling to around 2 by 9 p.m. here in State College. Notice Bradford and Erie already dropping down to around 3 below. And as we head into the day on Tuesday, notice Pittsburgh already climbing up to around 12 degrees. That's going to be a very nice day if you're heading down to Pittsburgh, 9 degrees or so here in State College. 10 in Allentown, Harrisburg, and Philadelphia. Those temperatures are going to drop back down below 0 briefly overnight. As you're heading out to your Wednesday morning classes, temperatures hovering right around 1 as you're heading out to those 8 a.m. classes on Wednesday. And as we head into the day today, temperatures right around 6 degrees, sunny skies, cool, and a little bit breezy. Winds out of the northwest 15 to 25 kilometers an hour, gusting as high as 35, so you want to make sure that you have a jacket because it's going to feel a lot closer to 1 or 2 degrees. And as we head into the night tonight, we're expecting a low right around -4, just a couple scattered clouds, and it's going to be fairly cold. Wind shifting out of the southwest, 5 to 10 kilometers an hour. And as we head into the day on Sunday, a little bit warmer thanks to southerly winds. Temperature right around 8 degrees under mostly sunny skies. Winds 10 to 15 kilometers an hour. Then as we take a look at the rest of your 7-day forecast, notice on Wednesday, that southerly flow is going to stick with us, giving us a high temperature around 11. It's going to be fairly nice before temperatures fall only to around 0. Then as we head into the latter half of the week, there's that rain I was talking about. Thursday, 8 degrees, Friday, 9 degrees. Saturday and Sunday shaping up to be very pleasant days. 15 on Saturday. Our normal high for this time of year is right around 12, so we're going to be a little bit above normal. As we will be on Sunday, under mostly sunny skies, it's going to be a very pleasant weekend, so make sure you get out and enjoy the lovely weather that we have before next week begins. From the Penn State Service Weather Campus, I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate. Happy April Fools!